Hey, let's talk about eggs. Have you been to the grocery store lately? Egg prices are through the roof. We love our omelets and cookies, but not at these prices. Even Turkey is sending eggs to the U.S. to help stabilize the market, but prices won't drop quickly. No worries. We've got you covered. Let's explore egg replacements. Let's whip up some culinary magic without using one single egg. Let's look at some budget-friendly baking with these excellent egg substitutes. Kind to your wallet and delicious in your favorite recipes. These little swaps will save you money without sacrificing taste or texture. Let's get cracking without the eggs. First up, the incredible flaxseed egg, packed with healthy fats and fiber. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder plus 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 5 minutes and you've got 1 egg. Next, chia seeds. Nutritional powerhouses that prove baking without eggs can be just as delicious and even healthier. 1 tablespoon of chia plus 3 tablespoons of water equals 1 egg. Now, let's talk about a baking secret weapon. Unsweetened applesauce. 1/4 cup of it equals 1 egg and adds moisture, a touch of sweetness, and a tender crumb to your baked goods. Let's go bananas for this next egg substitute. 1/4 cup of mashed overripe bananas equals 1 egg and creates moist, flavorful treats. Hold on to your whisks now, because we're unlocking the magic of silken tofu. Maybe unexpected, but trust me, it's a game changer. 1/4 cup equals 1 egg. Next up, 1/4 cup of yogurt is equal to 1 egg. This versatile ingredient does wonders in both sweet and savory dishes. 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda also substitutes 1 egg. Try it next time you make a chocolate cake. Light and fluffy. It's kitchen chemistry when combining these two unlikely heroes. Here's a taste of autumn, no matter what the season, with our next egg substitute. Pumpkin puree. 1/4 cup is equal to 1 egg. The wonders of carbonated water. 1/4 cup is 1 egg. Makes fluffy cupcakes and crispy waffles, the secret to airy treats. Get ready for some bubbly magic in the kitchen as we explore the wonders of carbonated water as an egg replacement. Next up, nut butter power. Rich, nutty, and deliciously egg-free. Get ready to transform your favorite nut butter into a secret weapon for egg-free baking. Great in cookies and banana bread. And there you have it, amazing egg substitutes that will not only save you money, but also open up a world of culinary possibilities. Remember, different substitutes work better for different recipes, so experiment and find your favorites. So, which ones are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more egg-cellent baking adventures. Thanks for watching. If you have egg replacement or recipe suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Please hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe for more content like this. Appreciate you for stopping by. Take care.